Fix Windows Update Error 0x80240031. Solution 1. Perform a clean boot. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in msconfig and click OK. In the resulting system configuration window, select the Services tab. Then, mark the Hide All Microsoft Services checkbox at the bottom left corner of the window. Click Disable All. Then, navigate to the Startup tab. Click Open Task Manager. Select each application and click Disable. Close the Task Manager. In the System Configuration window, click Apply and click OK. Click Restart when prompted. Now, try updating Windows. Right-click the Start menu button and click Settings. Go to Update and Security. To begin installing updates, click Install Now. If the update was successful, you can restart your PC in regular mode. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in msconfig and click OK. In the General tab, select Normal Startup. Then go to the Services tab and make sure that the Hide All Microsoft Services option is unchecked. Lastly, go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Select and enable the previously disabled applications. Close the Task Manager. Click Apply and click OK. Click Restart when prompted. Solution 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click the Start menu and click Settings. Select Update and Security. Select Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will identify the issue and apply a fix automatically. Solution 3. Clear Windows Update Cache. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in netstop WEUserve and press Enter to stop Windows Update service. Then type in rd/s/q%systemroot%\software distribution and press Enter. Then type in netstart WEUserve to restart the previously stopped Windows Update service. Close the command prompt and try updating Windows. Solution 4. Run the deployment image and servicing management scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in dism/online/cleanup image/scan health and hit the Enter key. Then type in dism/online/cleanup image/restore health and hit the Enter key. Restart your PC and try updating Windows. Solution 5. Run the System File Checker scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in sfc/scan now and hit Enter. Restart your PC and try updating Windows. Thank you for watching.